All right, here we are on the lesson 21 classwork. Just a few things I kind of want to walk you through just to help prevent any confusion. So the first page is just all about finding the surface area. And remember, to find the surface area, it was the perimeter of the base times the height plus 2 times the area of the base. Okay, so number 1 is pretty straightforward. Number 2, sometimes what trips people up is what the base is. The base in number 2 is a triangle. Okay, remember we can only either have 1 or 2 bases in a shape. If you were to open this guy up, you would have 3 rectangles, so that wouldn't work. And then remember, when you're finding the area of the triangle, and this is the right angle, this is your base and this is your height, and we don't really have anything to do with that diagonal line except when we find the perimeter. All right, same thing here in number 3. Your bases are triangles. This one's a little easier to see. Okay, and number 4 is pretty much like number 1. Now on the second page, something, I don't know why they do this. This formula here, this is the same formula as we've been using, because see, they listed down here. So it's the same thing as the perimeter of the base times the height plus 2 times the area of the base. So they give you the height of a right rectangular prism, the length and the width. So I would draw a picture. Even if you're not very good at it, that's okay. Just to kind of help you visualize. So the height is 4.5 feet. The length and width of the base are 2 feet and then 1.5 feet. Okay. Number 6, the surface area of a right rectangular prism is 68 2/3. So this is where they want you to find the unknown height. So you would set it up, 68 2/3 equals, and then you fill in the rest of it. Again, I would draw, talking about a rectangular prism again, I would draw a picture. So the dimensions of the base are 7 inches and 3 inches. We're looking for the height, so that'll help you with that. And then the last one, similar to number 6, again, I would draw a picture, okay? So hopefully nothing too confusing. Even with the fractions in number 5, you can just make this 1.5 and that works nice in the calculator. 4.5, so nothing too bad there. So hopefully with those few suggestions you should be good to go. But if you have any questions, you can always send me an email.